Well, hello, bakers. So, my daughter bought me this the other day, and I thought it would be perfect for holding my homemade vanilla extract. So, here I've got my vanilla, and I am going to go ahead and fill this up with that. So, I have my funnel, and let me show you exactly what I'm going to do. It was at this moment I realized I was spilling it on the counter. And here you can see is where I fixed it. Now to make it perfect, I'm going to fish out a smaller piece of vanilla bean and add it to my new container. This way, the vanilla flavor will continue to steep into the extract.